I'm Adela Schlager, and I'm a professor in the School of Government and Public Policy at the University of Arizona, and I'm the co-editor of the Policy Studies Journal. But most importantly, I'm a student of Lynn and Vincent Ostrom, and I'm happy to introduce to you the virtual issue on the Institutional Analysis and Development Framework. In the early 1970s, Lynn and Vincent published a series of articles laying out a new approach for policy analysis. Eventually, the arguments in those articles coalesce into the Institutional Analysis and Development Framework. The starting point of the framework is identifying a problem. Perhaps an analyst is interested in understanding why communities face challenges in providing public safety. Or maybe an analyst is interested in understanding how natural resource users solve their collective action problems and collectively and sustainably govern a natural resource. To analyze such situations, the analyst must identify the dynamics of the problems people face, the worldviews, values, and norms that people possess, and the rules in use that guide and constrain their behavior. In so doing, it may be possible for the analyst to identify the undesirable outcomes people are achieving and suggest alternative rules in use that may allow them to realize better results. The Institutional Analysis and Development Framework has a problem-solving orientation. The assumption is that people are capable of engaging in self-governance, of identifying problems, and of overcoming collective action problems to provide public goods for themselves. The Institutional Analysis and Development Framework consists of a series of concepts and variables that analysts need to identify and explore different settings. However, it also provides the foundation for a series of compatible theories. For instance, Lynn, Vincent, and colleagues developed the theory of local public economies, explaining the dynamic governance of metropolitan areas, identifying governments that compete, coordinate, conflict, and cooperate with one another in providing for and producing public goods and services. And of course, there's common pool resource theory, which Lynn Ostrom developed and received the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2009 for. In this virtual issue, you'll find a series of articles that carefully outline the Institutional Analysis and Development Framework, that define its concepts and variables, and that outline its epistemological underpinnings. And of course, you'll find empirical applications of the framework and of its affiliated theories. The Policy Studies Journal is the go-to journal for understanding the latest work in public policy theories. This virtual issue and virtual issues involving other theories of policymaking processes clearly illustrate the value and the mission of the Policy Studies Journal.